So in periodic table, S block, that is first and second group. D block, that is third group to 12th group, called transition metals. P block, extremely right side, 13 group to 18 groups. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, P block elements. And at the bottom of the periodic table, F block element, in which there is a 2 series, lanthanoid series and actinoid series. That is 4F series and 5F series. First and second group, that is S block element and P block elements, are called representative element, while D block elements called transition and F block elements called inner transition. So one thing is very important, to learn the name of elements of particular group. So how to learn and remember all the elements symbol at least. So this can be learned in a tricky way. Any trick, any fun method, you can learn it. All of you read in class 9th also, the first group also called alkali metal, because they are alkali in nature, means they are basic in nature and soluble in water. Second group called alkaline earth metal, means they are also alkali in nature but obtained from earth. D block, transition elements, which you will study in class 12th in details. P block elements, in which the 13th group is called boron family, because of boron is the first element. 14 is called carbon family. 15 group is called nitrogen family, or we can say chalcogen, means poisonous. As we know, phosphorus is highly poisonous. 16 group, that is oxygen family, which is also called chalcogen. Chalcogen means ore forming element. And group 17, which is called halogen. Halogen means salt forming elements. So when we say ask salt, you always say NaCl. So Cl belongs to this group. Means the halogens, means 17 groups are called halogen, means salt forming element. So halogen means salt forming element. And group 18, all of you know, that is called noble gas, or we can say inert gas, because they are not reactive. Now, second thing which I want to discuss with you, first group and second group, that is alkali and alkaline earth metal, that is S block elements, are solid and metals, except hydrogen. Hydrogen has a unique position. Transition metals are also metals, few are metalloids, and they are also solid. Even F block elements are also metals and few metalloids, and they are also solid. P block elements having metals, non-metals, and metalloids. So only the P block is better. I can show in the second diagram or second periodic table. Yes, you can see over here. S block, okay, except hydrogen, although hydrogen has kept in the center of the periodic table. Okay, so these are metals. These are also metals. In P block, I told all three elements are present, that is metal, non-metal, and metalloids. You can see this sky blue part is metal, means these elements are metallic in nature, and metals, all of you know, they are always exist in solid form. And this zigzag form, this orange part, or we can say it's just like a stair or zigzag form, this orange parts are metalloids, and metalloids also solid. And this green part, whole this part, after this orange part, this whole green part are non-metals. Metals and metalloids are physical state are solid. Non-metals which having all solid, liquid and gaseous form. In liquid, only one element is there, that is bromine. So bromine is only in the liquid state. These light green parts are solid, that is boron, solid, carbon solid, phosphorus solid, sulfur, selenium solid, iodine also solid. And these elements are only in the gaseous state, that is nitrogen gas, oxygen exists in form of gas, fluorine gas, chlorine gas, and these are the noble gases. So you can easily learn how many elements present in the periodic table in the gaseous form. So only you have to learn the 4 elements, that is nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and chlorine, and noble gases, right? So now the question arises how to learn the elements in a particular group of S block and P block. This year you are learning only S block and P block. So there is a trick by which you can easily learn. First, we start the first group. How you can learn? If you are considering hydrogen in first group, then you can say Helena. Hydrogen is Helena. Helena का रब से फरियाद. Means Helena is praying from the God. So again I am repeating. Helena का, that is रब से फरियाद. He means hydrogen. Li means lithium. Na means sodium. Ka potassium. Rab rubidium. Se cesium. Faryad francium, which is radioactive element. So by this method you can learn. Now moving to the second group. Symbols are Be, that is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Now how you can remember the symbols? So now by trick also you can remember it. Beta, मांगे, कार, स्कूटर, बाप, रोया, और बाप राजी. Very rich बाप. Okay. So again I am repeating. Beta, मांगे, कार, स्कूटर, बाप, राजी, or बाप रोया. Anything you can learn. So beta means beryllium. Mange means Mg, car calcium, scooter Sr, that is strontium, Bap Ba, that is barium, Roya, that is radium. Again, radium is the radioactive element. So now first group what? Helena ka rab se faryad. Second group beta, mange, car, scooter, Bap, Roya. Now moving to the P block elements. Similarly, you can learn for P block also. First 13 group. The elements name are boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Now how to learn the symbol? Bangan, alu, gajar, in, thela. Bangan, alu, gajar in thela means bangan means boron, alu means aluminium, gajar gallium, in indium, thela thallium, that is Tl. Now 14 group. How to learn the 14 group? Simply you can learn very easily because it is just for, we can say for student, for teacher, anything we can say. For chemistry. Chemistry student get sun ki problem. Chemistry, carbon, Student, silicon. Get, germanium. Sun key, that is tin, SN. Problem, that is PB, lead. Chemistry student get sun key problem. Now again repeating group 13. Bangan, aloo, gajar in thela. Chemistry students get sun key problem. Now 15 group, how to learn. So many methods are there. Now you can learn नई पड़ोसन आने से सब बिंदास. और यू कैन लर्न नई पड़ोसन आने से सब बिंदास. ओके, नई पड़ोसन आने से सब बिंदास. Now group 16. Group 16, how to learn it. Now 16 group, which is very much suitable for you as it always you do in the exam or anywhere. And this is very much fit for this anybody student, basically you. Sir say tepo, which is your right. Sir say tepo. Usse tepo. So group 16 you can learn usse tepo. Sir, you can pause. Sir say, you can say in the breaking form. Sir say tepo. Usse tepo. So what is the meaning of usse tepo? Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Polonium is a radioactive element. Now group 17, what you can say? फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी. फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी. फिर मीन्स फ्लोरीन, कल मीन्स क्लोरीन, बाहर ब्रोमीन, आई आयोडीन, आंटी एस्टेटाइन. फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन, एस्टेटाइन. फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी. एंड ग्रुप 18, हीना, नीना और करीना का एक्सरे रंगीन. हीना, नीना और करीना का एक्सरे रंगीन. हीलियम, नियॉन, आर्गन, क्रिप्टॉन, xenon, radon. Radon is a radioactive element. So now you tell what we can say. Repeat once for P block. Yes, bangan, aloo, gajar in thela. Chemistry students get sun की problem. नई पड़ोसन आने से सब बिंदास. सर से टेपो. फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी. हीना, नीना और करीना का एक्सरे रंगीन. So I hope you will learn all the elements in this tricky method, by this fun method. Okay, so next class we will discuss the next topic. So now I am ending this topic.